Here we are in Jamaica, ran away from cold weather, from where we're coming from, and having a break in the sun. And we're on the north coast, the holiday area of Jamaica, beautiful sand, but we're at our cousin's house in Discovery Bay, very beautiful part of the north coast. And this morning, we're showing you Ackee, straight from the tree. This is the Ackee before it's open, and you should never pry it open. It has to be open naturally because it releases a gas that if you do it before it's ready, it's not wise to eat it. And this is the Ackee after it's open. Three little black eyes looking at me. Sometimes the outer portion is red, another time it's pink, which are two different varieties of Ackee. So I was told. And so we're gonna do some Ackee and saltfish using Ackee straight from the tree this morning. After it's open and you get it from the tree, you pry it back like this and you remove the fruit. This is the fruit of the Ackee, and this you discover. I'm gonna show you the laborious part of Ackee now. And I'm gonna show you. This is a big, nice bowl of Ackee. All you people who are used to Ackee, fresh from the tree, have a good look. And eat your heart out. So we're gonna have fresh Ackee. And for the ones who have never seen it like this, you can have a good look too and say, I've seen Ackee straight from the tree. So this is what we have to do. I'll bring a pot over here, saucepan. And you got to remove, you do a twist, and you remove the seed. And there's a little pink skin inside here that has to be removed as well. And this is what we call cleaning the Ackee. So you got to get all of that pink stuff out. And that's ready for cooking. Boil the fresh Ackee, and you've got to be careful because some Ackee just need the water just boil and remove from the heat, and some you have to cook it a little longer. Thankfully, this was the easy cook, which I like. And so add this at this point, and now I'm going to add it to the goodies, the bacon and the tomato and the onion and all those goodies. And now I'll show you the finished product. Okay? So here we have it, the final product. Looking all scrumptious. Ackee, fresh Ackee straight from Angela's godfather tree. Fixed by Mom, cook like a Jamaican. And now everybody join in and let's enjoy Ackee. And codfish. And anything else you want to add to it. Because we have added a lot of stuff, eh?
I'm going to get to talk about pickles.
Oh, you got to get that in. Our cousin will clean the Ackee, head and little red strip. And our other cousin who did a man job in that to clean it. So it's a community family thing that produced this. Okay, time to eat.
Good.
Okay, so clap.
Do that.